Hello, in front of me I have CAT S52 and I'm gonna show you how to clear the credentials on this device. Let's start by opening the settings. To do it, swipe upwards from the bottom of the screen to open the app menu, and here let's tap on the settings icon. Once in settings, let's scroll down and select security and location. Now scroll down and tap on the advanced. Then scroll down, tap on encryption and credentials. And here we have clear credentials option. Tap on it and tap OK to confirm. And that's how you clear the credentials on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.